When it comes to tactical survival, having the right gear is non-negotiable, plain and simple. In this briefing, we've locked on to the most battle-ready, mission-critical tools for the modern survivalist. From hard-hitting knives to next-gen gadgets, every piece on this list has been hand-picked for toughness, utility, and the grit to handle whatever the wild throws your way. Enjoy! Getting started with the Zune Lo2 Tactical Survival Knife, a peerless companion crafted for the adventurous soul. Meticulously engineered for precision and resilience, this survival knife boasts a robust 6mm D2 stainless steel blade, ensuring unmatched penetrating performance. More than just a tool, it's a reliable ally in the face of challenges. The Zune Lo2 stands out with its military-grade full tang and well-balanced design, offering optimal strength and stability. Weighing in at approximately 0.63 pounds and boasting an overall length of 9.45 inches, this knife is poised to handle any situation with ease. Enhancing its functionality is the G10 composite handle with matrix concave and convex particles, providing a secure, wear-resistant, and slip-resistant grip, a crucial feature for survival in demanding environments. Versatility takes center stage with the Zune Lo2, thanks to its multi-angle wearing capabilities. The rotatable sheath, coupled with custom auto-locking and an expandable Kyrex scabbard, ensures a safe and portable experience. Whether you're on a hiking expedition, engaged in outdoor sports, or tackling military tasks, the Zune Lo2 Tactical Survival Knife is ready for action with wide-ranging applications. It becomes an essential tool for travel, hiking, hunting, camping, and various outdoor pursuits. It's not just a knife, it's a reliable companion designed to withstand the rigors of the wild. A perfect gift for the outdoor enthusiast in your life. Be ready for any situation with the Survive Knives GSO 4.7, a robust, versatile tactical knife for any problem you may find yourself in. It's available in either CPM 3V or CrewForge V steel blade, so users can choose from their preference. The overall length of the knife is 10.2 inches, with a strong spear point blade shape, which can be great for piercing or slicing. The knife's handle is aggressively contoured, providing a secure grip in any condition. The sleek profile and satin stonewash finish on the blade not only give the knife an attractive look, but also provides extra durability. The GSO 4.7 is a versatile and durable knife that can be used for various tasks, from survival and bushcraft to hunting and tactical situations. Next up, we have the OPSCOR Special Operations Tactical Respirator, a half-mask particulate respirator meticulously crafted to safeguard against a broad spectrum of harmful contaminants encountered in both training and operational settings. Tailored for normal interaction with weapon systems and mission-critical equipment, this tactical respirator features a front-mounted filter enhancing the field of vision, while quick one-handed filter changes are effortlessly facilitated. Seamlessly integrating with night vision goggles, eye protection, and over-the-ear hearing gear, it offers both microphone and non-microphone versions, compatible with standard ground communications headsets for seamless radio communication. Easily adjustable mask suspension straps accommodate various wear preferences based on mission requirements. A versatile head harness is available for non-helmet use, and Velcro straps enable swift attachment to a helmet's exterior. An optional Otis strap seamlessly clips into arc rails. These Victos war-torn gloves are the ultimate solution for hand protection in demanding environments. Crafted with a padded polyester mesh chassis, these gloves deliver both comfort and breathability. Enhanced durability is provided by the combative leather reinforcements on the thumb and palm, safeguarding high-impact areas. Featuring touchscreen-compatible trigger finger and thumb, these gloves enable seamless operation of electronic devices without removal. An adjustable wrist cinch closure guarantees a secure and comfortable fit, while compatibility with More Alphabet knuckle pads allows for added protection and personalization. Designed and developed by U.S. veterans, the Victos war-torn gloves undergo rigorous testing and prove their mettle in battle, ensuring unparalleled quality and durability for the wearer during intense combat or outdoor activities. When it comes to tactical duty and survival, precision and meticulous attention to detail stand as paramount virtues, much like the all-new Stryker XT Gen 3 combat pants. Crafted from ripstop fabric and fortified with Cordura in exposed areas, these pants emerge as steadfast workhorses for any mission. The dynamic stretch fabric at the shoulders ensures unparalleled freedom of movement, placing you in command even amidst the most demanding scenarios. Secured in position by integrated underbelt stretch side panels and breathable 3D lower back padding, the UF Pro Waist Flex system guarantees a snug and comfortable fit. A swift zip activates the Waist Flex system, ushering in a refreshing breeze that cools your body, courtesy of large ventilation openings designed to keep you comfortable during intense operations. Mitigate injury risks with the modular 3-level knee protection, thoughtfully designed for optimal wear comfort. The 5-level knee height regulation system, cleverly concealed in the spacious side pockets with dual access, allows you to fix the knee pads effortlessly. Regulate the width of your lower pants with ease, courtesy of the zipper-equipped boot hook, ensuring your pants stay comfortable throughout the day. Crafted for comfort and fortified with toughness, the UF Pro Stryker XT Gen 3 combat pants epitomize dependability in the line of duty. The Agilite K0 plate carrier stands out as the epitome of comfort and efficiency, claiming its place as the most comfortable, low-profile plate carrier in the market. Uniquely designed in collaboration with both Israeli and US Special Forces, it directly addresses comfort and functionality issues associated with modern plate carriers. Over the past decade, the trend toward lower-profile plate carriers often resulted in discomfort, even when carrying only the bare essentials. The K0 maintains a low profile while offering significantly enhanced comfort, whether worn slick or fully armored for extended periods. In terms of covert operations, comfort is not a luxury but a necessity for staying alert, especially in hostile environments where fatigue can be life-threatening. Agilite's proprietary V design plays a pivotal role, distributing weight over 8 suspension points to eliminate hotspots. Strategically placed low-profile closed cell padding ensures unprecedented comfort without compromising movement. Each K0 includes a one-size-fits-all low-profile cummerbund, allowing for on-the-fly adjustments for different body types, loadouts, or clothing worn underneath. The Agilite K0 plate carrier offers flexibility in the front, allowing users to switch between Velcro flaps or quick-release buckles based on mission requirements. It provides both internal and external mounting options without compromising rear plate bag real estate. For heavier loads, the K0 is compatible with the Agilite Warfighter cummerbund or any other hook and loop-based cummerbund. Even when fully scaled up, it remains extremely lightweight, jumpable, and without bulk, making it suitable for confined spaces. Unlike other plate carriers, cable management is an integral part of the Agilite K0 plate carrier, designed thoughtfully into every area. It includes a cable management kit for complete versatility in setting up cables, PTTs, and hydration tubes as needed. Amidst challenges where perfection is non-negotiable, the Stryker XT Gen 2 combat pants rise unwavering. Forged from the very essence of the field, these pants promise a precision fit and unmatched comfort, allowing you to set the standard. This streamlined design, fortified with Cordura reinforcements in crucial areas, stands as a testament to unwavering strength. The exclusive Waist Flex system, coupled with an innovative detachable Waist Flex belt and a negative curve belt buckle, harmoniously conforms to your body's anatomy. Solar dynamic stretch panels empower you to confront challenges head-on, providing unparalleled freedom of movement with each step. Keep your essentials close at hand in a capacious device pocket secured with a detachable flap. Spacious cargo pockets, fastened with Canadian buttons, allow you to carry your world with ease. Elastic inner compartments ensure your extra gear remains securely in place. Confront the unseen adversary with our solution, a thoughtfully designed ventilation zipper with a mosquito net, keeping you cool and composed. Synchronizing seamlessly with UF Pro 3D knee pads, these combat pants offer cushioning and impact resistance. Meet the O-Knife Roboto Pocket Knife, a tactical survival companion forged with grit and precision. Crafted from the unforgiving 154 cm blade steel, this knife embodies high wear and corrosion resistance, coupled with exceptional toughness and edge retention. It's not just a blade, it's a relentless force ready to face the harshest challenges. The aluminum handle, lightweight yet unyielding, stands as a testament to durability and corrosion resistance. In the survival arena, every ounce matters, and this handle ensures a steadfast grip in the direst situations. Operating in the shadows demands a knife that responds with swiftness and assurance. The Roboto doesn't falter, equipped with a flipper top for quick and easy access. The robust stainless liner lock guarantees a secure and straightforward lockup, a crucial aspect in the unpredictable wilderness. The portable design of the Roboto speaks to this need. With a blade length of 3.32 inches, it strikes a balance between utility and maneuverability. The inclusion of a lanyard hole and pocket clip provides versatile carrying options, ensuring your trusty companion is always within reach.
Introducing the Slide Belt Survival Belt 2.0, an evolution in tactical survival gear. This isn't just a belt, it's a compact arsenal, ingeniously engineered to redefine the way you carry and access essential tools in the wilderness. At its core lies the Buckle, an innovative multifunctional powerhouse. Unleash the razor-sharp stainless steel blade coated with titanium, ensuring unparalleled durability for your every survival need. The knife is strategically designed to be accessible only when the buckle is lifted, ensuring absolute safety in the field. But that's just the beginning. A built-in bottle opener stands ready for those moments when a refreshing pause is necessary. For the culinary adventurer in the great outdoors, an integrated fire starter comes to the rescue, defying the limitations of regular matches by igniting even when wet, adding a layer of reliability to your survival kit. The Slide Belt Survival Belt 2.0 doesn't stop there. The Buckle hosts a nifty LED flashlight, a beacon of light cutting through the darkest of times, ensuring your path is illuminated with tactical precision. This single survival belt is a game changer, offering convenience, durability, and versatility for every survivalist journey. It's not just a belt, it's your steadfast companion in the unpredictable wilderness. Maxpedition Havoc 2 is a tactical survival juggernaut designed to dominate the challenges of the wilderness. With an overall volume of 2,319 cubic inches or 38 liters, this pack is more than a storage solution. It's a tactical command center ready for your every mission. The MOLLE webbing on the front and sides transforms this backpack into a customizable fortress, allowing you to attach accessory pockets with precision and ease. This isn't just a bag, it's a modular system tailored to your survival needs. For the covert operator, the Havoc 2 boasts a dual side-accessible CCW, or concealed carry weapon compartment, ensuring that your tools are within reach when seconds count. The loop fields in the front stand as a canvas for your morale patches, reflecting your tactical identity in the field. When it comes to adaptability, the Havoc 2 doesn't disappoint. Side and bottom compression straps ensure your load is secure and streamlined, a crucial feature when navigating the harshest terrains. So that was our video on the 10 tactical survival gear you should check in this year. Let us know your favorite pick in the comments section, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.